Soha.
Hi.
Hi, Dr. Nihar.
How are you, sir?
You guys can start factory tour from milk reception area.
Okay, lovely.
Sure.
We'll follow you.
After you, sir.
The first thing I noticed is that each milk tanker's tires are washed once they enter the factory. Dirt from the road can carry bacteria inside, so washing the tires ensure what's outside stays outside. This is where every pack of NANGROW gets filled, sealed and packed. And yes, before the powder even enters the pack, it passes through an online metal detector. Then the pack is filled with a food-grade inert gas to ensure freshness of the ingredients. After packing, online and manual sieve test checks for any foreign body. Then the seal itself is tested to ensure no leakages. The pack is also then tested for levels of oxygen, which can degrade nutrients and allow bacterial growth. And then an X-ray. Metal detectors catch metal, but the X-ray catches everything else. One final foreign object check on every pack before it's packed into cartons to be shipped to stores. And as the last step, automated robotic packing that stacks and sends the NANGROW packs to the warehouses. From raw milk to this stage, the complete process is entirely touchless, ensuring the safety of your Nestlé NANGROW.